X-ray, X-ray Golf, ISIS 10 o'clock, 10 miles, rise the airport in sight.
Well, we have the field, X-ray Golf.
X-ray, X-ray Golf, clear to visual approach, runway 24, towers 19-3.
19-3, so long.
381 Papa 7000, weather at West Hampton.
39 Zulu, contact Long Island Tower, 19.3.
Bravo Zulu over the tower, thanks.
Was that for 2439 Zulu?
2439 Zulu, towers 19-3.
ISO Tower, Cessna 2439 Zulu on the ILS inside Prisoner.
Cessna 2439 Zulu, roger, you're on short final. You're number 2, traffic over the numbers, you're clear to land.
Little land, and we like the option.
Okay, option for what?
The option for a touch and go, 300 Zulu.
Okay, what are your intentions after that?
Northwestbound departure.
Are you going to go out VFR?
Affirm.
With the tower out of below 1400, you want to go IFR?
No, we're going to do VFR under the shell, 390 Zulu.
Yeah, you might have to punch out at the tower. They're not accepting any departures from me right now, so traffic is on the runway, east touch and go, you're clear to the option.
Long Tower, Skyhawk 227 Bravo Zulu with you at 2600 inbound for 24.
I'm sorry, who's checking in?
227 Bravo Zulu.
27 Bravo Zulu, on tower, continue straight in.
24 Bravo Zulu.
X-ray, X-ray, Golf up with tower.
Equipment on, ready taxi.
On for taxi, go to ground, 35-3.
Roger.
Good morning, X-ray Golf with you at 6.5.
X-ray, X-ray, Golf, on tower, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land, 24 X-ray Golf.
Long Island Tower, 1 Delta Delta. You know how long it's going to take before I get the plug?
As I told you before, sir, no, I have no clue. It's up to them on the other side, not me.
Tower 198 Papa Golf, descending 2000.
Traffic.
Alright, I need the sectional.